Welcome back, as we now discuss dimensions. In an earlier program, you learnt that all objects have certain sizes, which we also call dimensions. On a drawing, the dimensions are shown in various ways. Let's look at what we mean by dimensions. Firstly, any object has overall dimensions, such as its overall length, its overall width, and its overall depth or height. Or, in the case of a round object like this shaft, it has an overall length and an overall diameter. Let's look at a typical drawing for a box-shaped object. Placed outside of the main shapes are lines that we call dimension lines. Arrowed lines point to the dimension lines. The actual dimensions in millimeters are written next to the arrow lines. For example, our box would be 100 millimeters long by 50 millimeters wide by 25 millimeters deep. If an object is round, such as a shaft, then the drawing might look like this. You can see that the shaft's overall length is given and its overall diameter shown in the end view. Now, an important thing for you to try and do is to first see the shape of the object on any drawing and then look at the dimensions. Remember that dimension lines are not part of the object shape. If you look carefully at a drawing, you will notice that dimension lines don't actually touch the shape lines. During the break, we suggest that you take measurements of the object that you sketched and then put in the overall dimensions. After the break, we'll look at how other dimensions are read.